Still blowing?
Yeah, there was a lot more than I planned on.
Are you used to blowing dirty things?
I never touch anything that's dirty.
If you say so.
Unless the pay's good enough. But, you know, hey.
Oh.
So, Adam had us... We're doing, to reiterate...
We're reiterating?
Yep, we're reiterating. Yes, we're doing that.
Are you using big words this morning to confuse me?
I'm going to try. Work with me. So, we're doing the fuel injectors, the O-rings. We're going to clean the fuel rail, make sure everything's good and strong, that there's no issues.
Yes.
Still has to do an oil change yet.
Yes.
And he's like, well, while you're there, just kind of do an inspection of the car a little bit.
Yeah,
Make sure there's...
Yeah.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yeah. Get a little drip going.
So, I'm like, well, as you can tell, there's so much to undo this portion of the fuel rail. I had to do this, but I had to take the airbox out to get to here to undo this screw that you can't get anything to until you undo everything. So, okay, not a major big deal.
Yeah.
So, look at that rotor.
Oh, that's definitely seen better days. Cap and rotor. Yeah, that's not
And
happy.
if you look inside there,
Oh, wow. Look at this. No es bueno.
so I would very much like to recommend a new cap and rotor.
Cap and rotor.
The wires don't look bad. They're still...
Those are nice. They're Napa ones, too.
right.
Those are the nice ones from Napa. Those
And
aren't
they're
bad.
still soft. There's no...
You like things not soft. God, you got
Correct.
another drippy, Scotty. God.
It's kind of what... Ever since I had the heart attack and stroke last week, my nose doesn't want to stop.
This guy. He's not lying.
Yeah, right?
We're like, is Scotty dead? And it's like, no, we went to the hospital. Were Bernsey and I moderately intoxicated when we visited you?
I don't think the word moderately was even in the vocabulary at that particular point in time. Bernsey got in bed with me and tried to snuggle.
Yes. I'm so glad Xander has a learner's permit so he could drive us around.
Because he was the only... Well, thank God he's sober. I would have beat your guy's ass if you were feeding alcohol to a minor.
Yeah, no.
But Xander's a really, really good kid.
He doesn't like beer.
Good. It's a good start to a healthy living.
Sounds kind of boring to me.
Right.
Oh, what's wrong with us? We are wild. Anyway, so the big fun, and I'm being sarcastic.
Correct.
Is to get the fuel rail out.
Yep.
You gotta get this out.
I have to remove the power steering pump, the bracket, possibly the alternator,
Definitely.
idler, belt.
I'm curious. I wonder if we can get that to go. I think if we pull the alternator and we loosen up this bracket, we can come up enough to do it.
It's very possible. I'm not going
I
to
don't think it's that hard of a
put
deal.
any validity into it until I can start getting some time on
Are you
pulling
using
the
big
fuel rail.
words again?
Hey, I'm on a roll today. I got 2 of them this entire week.
Yeah.
Who fucking knew?
That's better. Anyway, so Scotty's gonna keep digging.
Yep.
He's going to disconnect the fuel rail from the feed first.
Yeah.
Let the pressure out of the system. Get all that stuff situated. Get all wild and crazy.
Girl, just go crazy.
It's funny. We got this. We're doing fuel stuff. The vet. We're doing fuel stuff. I just built fuel lines for that. It's fuel week.
Yeah. A couple of months ago, it was T-Bird Day, T-Bird Week, T-Bird Month.
Remember we had FE Ford Bonanza?
Oh, God, it was for like a month.
Yeah, it was just all FE powered fun.
So I got a little bit more cleaning with the air hose to do to make sure before I start disassembling anything, I don't take any chances.
With his hose more.
Yes, correct.
We don't love them hose.
Hey, that thing gets beaten like a prisoner.
Ooh, my. All right, so with that, I'm going to bid you an adieu.
Adieu.